Haley, you finally got your car done. Yay! Got an ISR exhaust on a 350.
Done.
Yeah. So we're gonna do first start. It's gonna probably be loud or something, but I'm excited.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am. It's gonna be loud like mine. See, I told you it was gonna be ridiculous.
Yeah, it's not that bad actually.
Little
vibration.
So, did everyone just see this bottle come out?
I didn't even know you put that in. Yeah. I was wondering, I heard something.
Oh, that's perfect. So it's super nice sounding. It's actually not ridiculously loud. He was worried it was going to be as loud as mine, but I told him it was going to be tame. So we're
Tags expired.
whoopsie doodle. So we're going to go to our testing proving grounds, and it's wet outside, so it means we have more horsepower, which is awesome, right? More horsepower?
More horsepurs.
Yay! Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. It sounds good.
It does. Scrape. I really thought I was going to scrape.
Yeah, we always scrape our freaking exhausts on a speed bump right by our place.
Of course, car guys move into a neighborhood with speed bumps.
Yeah, smart move on us, right? But we're gonna go get some probably drive-bys and launches and all that good stuff and get some good sound clips of the 350Z with the ISR exhaust.
Still cold.
It's understeering so much. We got to get a different alignment on this thing. Just having a little bit of fun. And we'll probably head out of this place. Look at this V-dub thing. I can't focus on it because of the windshield. At the top end, but it's definitely not bad. I like it. It's quality.
Yeah, I didn't tighten it down as much as I thought I did.
Yeah, possibly. But it still sounds good.
Yes, sir. I'll put it up on the lift.
Check it through.
When I do the bolt-ons to the back. Yeah.
He's got a...
Whenever that shows up.
Oh yeah, that's true. My stuff still... I'm still waiting on more car parts, so aren't we all? So it's a little shorter video, but that's what the ISR exhaust sounds like on a 350Z instead of my 370Z. So we got the exact same setup, but they just sound different. So yeah, gonna keep this video short. See you next time. Boof.